Recently, hidden images of Venus taken by the Soviet Union during the Cold War have emerged, sending shockwaves through the scientific community. These pictures challenge what we know about our solar system. Do these secret Venusian images contain clues about alien life on the planet? And what other secrets could they reveal about the mysterious world of Venus? Join us on this captivating journey to uncover the truth behind these declassified photos and their potential impact on our understanding of the universe. After World War II, the United States and the Soviet Union engaged in an intense rivalry that extended into space exploration, known as the space race. The competition began in 1957 when the Soviets surprised the world by launching Sputnik 1, the first artificial satellite. This spurred the United States into action. Significant milestones marked the space race. The Soviet Union led with Yuri Gagarin becoming the first human in space in 1961, followed by Valentina Tereshkova as the first woman in 1963. In response, the United States, guided by President John F. Kennedy, initiated the Apollo program, intending to land a man on the moon before the end of the 1960s. In 1969, Apollo 11 achieved this goal with Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin walking on the moon. This marked a historic American triumph, as the Soviet Union's moon landing attempts from 1969 to 1972 were unsuccessful. The space race ended with collaboration in 1975 during the Apollo-Soyuz test project, leading to future joint efforts like the International Space Station, fostering a spirit of cooperation in space exploration. Why was the exploration of Venus so significant during the space race? In 1970, the Soviet Union achieved a remarkable feat during the space race by successfully landing a spacecraft on Venus. The Venera 7 mission displayed noteworthy ingenuity and determination despite Venus's extreme challenges. Venus has an atmosphere with pressure 92 times greater than Earth's, and its surface temperature can melt lead, reaching a scorching 460 degrees Celsius due to a potent greenhouse effect. Despite these formidable obstacles, the Soviet Union persevered in exploring Venus. They launched a series of Venera missions to unravel the planet's mysteries. The first probe, Venera 1, was a remarkable engineering achievement, emphasizing the unwavering spirit of scientific exploration. Although Venera 1 faced initial setbacks, the Soviet Union remained undaunted, launching a second attempt in 1961 to uncover the secrets of Venus, highlighting their commitment to space exploration and scientific discovery. The Venera 13 mission in 1982. The mission successfully landed on the surface of Venus, expanding our knowledge of this enigmatic planet. Through the Soviet Venera spacecraft missions, we discovered that Venus is a world of extreme conditions. Its thick atmosphere is mainly made of carbon dioxide, creating a powerful greenhouse effect, which results in scorching surface temperatures. The landscape on Venus is hostile, with rough terrain, towering mountains, and prominent volcanic features. You can see evidence of past volcanic activity, showing that Venus has had a tumultuous geological history. Unlike Earth, Venus lacks liquid water and only has tiny amounts of water vapor in its atmosphere. Furthermore, Venus is covered in thick clouds mainly made of sulfuric acid. These clouds hide the planet's surface and reflect sunlight, making the greenhouse effect even more intense. The combination of the thick atmosphere, lots of greenhouse gases, and cloud cover leads to the extreme heat on Venus. One fascinating thing about Venus is its superrotation. High in the atmosphere, it experiences hurricane-like winds, causing it to rotate rapidly around its axis. This atmospheric phenomenon adds to Venus's unique weather patterns. While Venus is considered geologically inactive today, its extensive volcanic features tell us it had a dynamic volcanic history that significantly shaped its geology. Unlike Earth, Venus doesn't have tectonic plate movements, making it different from our planet in many ways. Photos from Venus. In the 1970s, the Soviet Venera spacecraft missions provided vital insights into Venus despite the less advanced technology of the time. Venera 9 to 12 aimed to capture images of the enigmatic scorching planet, but some photos were kept as state secrets during the space race against the United States. Recently, declassified images have revealed a striking landscape of rocky outcrops, towering peaks, and evidence of extensive volcanic activity on Venus. These findings indicate past water erosion, raising questions about Venus's history and potential water presence. The similarity of some rocks on Venus, Earth, and Mars has sparked curiosity about a shared evolutionary history. While many mysteries about Venus persist, NASA is working to unveil more. The upcoming Da Vinci mission, set for an atmospheric probe in 2031, will explore Venus's composition and geology. Though NASA's Pioneer Venus 2 spacecraft impacted Venus in 1978, a soft landing has remained elusive. In the 1960s, Mariner 2 was the first spacecraft to visit a planet beyond Earth. During a brief flyby of Venus, it provided crucial data about the planet's intense heat and other essential characteristics, contributing significantly to our understanding of Venus. The recently declassified images of Venus have unveiled a world of extreme conditions and geological wonders, shedding light on the mysteries of our neighboring planet. These findings not only challenge our understanding of Venus, but also hint at the possibility of shared evolutionary histories among Earth, Venus, and Mars. If you enjoyed this video and found it insightful, please consider giving it a thumbs up by subscribing to our channel for more fascinating content. We look forward to having you with us on the following video. See you there.